kind of shifter as my car now. the little lever. Does yours have that too in the Audi?
No, it's got a bigger one.
Mine's a little bitty one. This little toggle switch, like a. You got some competition there.
Radios.
What's he gonna do?
How do you know?
What are you looking at?
I want to turn it right there. Freaking traffic.
Go ahead, just do it till we get to the driveway.
Okay.